You'll soon be able to use ShakeTrainer to stop any of your dog's unwanted behaviors for good. You can use ShakeTrainer to stop the following unwanted behaviors: barking, chasing, chewing, digging, going into restricted areas, going potty indoors, jumping up on people or furniture, mounting, play biting, pulling on leash, raiding garbage, running away, door charging, stealing food. Please watch this video in its entirety and then use ShakeTrainer on your dog. Before we begin, let's briefly explain how ShakeTrainer works. ShakeTrainer was engineered to emit a unique, consistent sound frequency when shaken. The sound is unlike anything your dog has heard and is perfect for stopping any of your dog's unwanted behaviors. It works in just 2 simple steps. In step 1, you'll introduce your dog to ShakeTrainer so that he or she will associate the sound ShakeTrainer makes with the loss of a treat. You only have to complete step 1 once, and ShakeTrainer can then be used to stop any of your dog's unwanted behaviors. Then in step 2, you'll use ShakeTrainer when you see your dog displaying any behavior you want to stop, and your dog will stop that behavior in order to avoid hearing ShakeTrainer. Remember, for your dog, the sound equals losing a treat, and we all know how dogs love their treats. You'll be amazed at how fast and effectively ShakeTrainer works.